Hi everyone, today we are going to practice 1 point, 2 point, and also 3 point perspective. For intermediate A, you are only working with 1 point perspective. Okay, so first I would like you to identify what is 1 point and what is 2 point. And also to know when you look at the picture that you will know what to look for. So for 1 point perspective is that you will see the rectangular shape, if this is the object we're going to draw, is facing to you. Or if you're doing the square will facing to you. So that's what you will see, a 4 square. Okay, so that is 1 point perspective. For 2 point perspective, you won't be able to see the 4 rectangular shape that is facing to you. Instead, what is facing to you is this line right here. So on the 2 side, none of it is a perfect rectangular shape. It all turn into a perspective. Okay, so those are the things you can very easily identify. This is 1 point, and then this will be 2 point. Okay, like this will be 2 point. 1 point and then 2 point. Okay, there are also 3 type of line that I would like you guys to remember today. One is parallel line. Parallel line meaning that the line will not meet together. They will always the equal distance. That is called parallel line. The other type of line is called perpendicular line. So this line here will meet as a right angle, perpendicular line right here. Okay, the other line is called vanishing line, meaning that this line, they will meet together in certain point. Okay, so here's then they will come together and then meet it to here. So this is called vanishing line, perpendicular line, and parallel line. Okay, all right, let's start it with 1 point perspective. I'm going to bring my cube back here again. So I'm going to flip this upside down. So you can see that this cube is facing to us, and you can see the size is here. And also if you bring it lower, you're going to see the top. So you have a side and then the top. Okay. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to draw, let's draw a square. Maybe it's easier. Okay. So we're just going to draw a square. Okay, from this square here, I'm going to use a little bit darker so you guys can see it better. So here's my square. I'm going to have my vanishing point above the square. So this is the same distance above right here. So this is my vanishing point 1. Okay. So if you guys see this corner here, and then here, and then here, and then here, those corners go all the way to the vanishing point. So we're going to create, this is called vanishing line. They're all going to meet in 1 point. Okay, same thing with this one. But this one here, I'm going to do it very, very lightly, just because you're going to see it very... you won't be able to see it if that's a cube. Okay, if it's a clear, then you probably will see it. Now, what we're going to do is called parallel line, meaning this line here will be parallel to this line. And then same thing, this will be parallel down to here. Okay. A lot of time, I'll see the student will do this angle. No, you got to do a parallel to this square right here. They are all a 90 degree. So here's a 90 degree, and then here's a 90 degree. They're all perpendicular line. Okay, right here. One angle here and then here. Right, now if you want to have a cube that is above the vanishing point, you can go ahead and try that. Same thing, you will draw a square, this point to here, here, and then here. Okay, so we're going to draw a parallel line, meaning they are straight, coming down like this. Straight coming down, okay? The right angle, you won't be match this line right here. The right angle actually will match the one in behind. So it will be this one. This line will be a right angle. Okay? Same thing. This corner is going to go vanishing point line, going to the vanishing point. So here is the side. And then here's the bottom. And here is the top. Because the vanishing point is above the cube. And then this one, a vanishing point is below the cube. You can kind of see that.